The 2020 Triumph Tiger 900 has big shoes to fill. For many, the Triumph Tiger 800 was the adventure bike ideal, lighter and more manageable than larger capacity adventure models, but still capable of big two-up distances, daily commuting or light trail duties. The new bike makes a really impressive package, and the GT Pro is arguably the pick of the bunch for riders who will never venture off tarmac. Revised engine characteristics and extra power make it more engaging and better for pillions than the old bike, and the chassis dynamics are better all round. But maybe the most impressive thing is that, despite sharing no components with the outgoing 800, it still feels like a mid-range Tiger, just a better mid-range Tiger. The touring range of the Tiger 900 been extended a bit as the capacity bumps up to 5.2 gallons, a quart more than the 800. The tank is redesigned so that the additional volume does not add to its waistline. As a result, the 900 is slimmer than the 800, and this contributes to how manageable the bike feels, particularly at slow speeds. The basic info that you've come to expect: speedo, tach, gear indicator, fuel gauge, clock, trip meters is all there, and there are various screen displays to choose from. The tach readout is a bit disappointing. All four layouts have tiny increments between the numbers, making it hard to accurately discern the engine speed. The new 888cc triple is a fantastic touring powerplant. With the right balance of smoothness and character, the inline 3 rewards a twist of the throttle without demanding it. It's a short-stroke design, though the 900's power increase over the 800 does not come at the top end.